It is the holiday season, and we all know what that means. The industry will be taking a much needed break, and so should you. But after you've taken your break, you've had your little eggnog, maybe a hot toddy, what can you be doing right now to get ahead of the game and make sure that you're prepared and still relevant when we all get back to work? Let's talk about it. Happy holidays, honey bunch. My name is Nico Austin Smith, and I am an actress here in Los Angeles. You may have seen me here, and if so, leave a comment below and let me know where. I'm curious. I'm here to help you have the acting career of your dreams by sharing all my knowledge that I've learned thus far in the industry. Knowledge that other YouTubers don't talk about. So if all of that sounds good to you, let's continue on this journey together. Remaining in the minds of industry professionals can make or break your career. So what are some things that you can be doing right now before everyone checks out for the entire year to leave a good impression on those that you want to work with? Well, you can send holiday cards. I prefer to send New Year's cards or holiday season greetings, but more often than not, I generally send New Year's cards. You can make some for free on canva.com. And you can also use your on-brand colors and fonts. Very smart. Then email those cards to casting directors, producers, directors, production companies you want to work with, casting directors you want to go in for, agents and managers you want to sign with. Or better yet, if you know that they are still in the office, like physically in the office and not working from home, you can send a physical card. Email addresses and sometimes physical addresses, but not usually, can be found on imdbpro.com, castingabout.com, or a simple Google search. And with IMDb Pro, you will need a subscription, but if you want to try it out for free, you'll have 30 days to do so. Just remember, when you write these cards, make them specific for each person. Lead with gratitude, lead with thanks or congratulations. You don't need to include your headshot or anything like that, but hey, if it's in your email signature, that's pretty dope. Just sign it with your name. Maybe a casting director you track just won an Artios Award or was nominated for an Artios Award, because the Artios Awards are happening in March, I believe. Maybe the agent at the agency that you want to sign with just had a client book a major role. Maybe a director that you want to work with just had a film premiered at a film festival. Whatever it is, do your research and be specific. People can tell when you're not being specific enough or you've just sent the same season's greeting email or New Year's email to everybody. Here are some examples of some e-cards that I've sent to industry professionals that have garnered a positive response. You can also set up notifications for people that you want to work with on Instagram for whenever they go live or post a new story or reel. Make sure you like, comment, and genuinely engage with them. Okay, but like honestly, like don't make yourself crazy sending out like 30, 40 e-cards. It's not necessary. Choose at most 10 to 12 people. Remember, this is still a time of rest and recharge so that you can be ready for pilot season. You don't want to overdo yourself. Other than that, you can make sure that you have all of your materials in order for pilot season. And here are some videos on how to do just that. Happy holidays, and I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.